Alright, so I have been testing out both Webull and interactive brokers to see how they actually stack up in real trading, from the user experience to fees and tools. And after spending a good chunk of time with both, here's the honest breakdown. No sponsorships here, I just want to tell a friend who's weighing the two. So now, first is Webull. So in terms of platform and usability, Webull has a modern, beginner-friendly UI, and it is super smooth on mobile. It is great for stock, ETF, and options trading. You'll get clean charts, decent indicators, and easy to navigate. But this is not ideal for long-term portfolio management or serious international exposure. Now, interactive brokers, on the other hand, or IBKR, is much more advanced, but also way more complex. It offers global market access in over 30 countries. It also has trading tools, research, and custom order types, which is the best in class, but can feel overwhelming for new users. The UI is functional, but it's not flashy. Feels a bit dated, but powerful under the hood. Now, for Webull, it is fully commission-free for US stocks, ETFs, and options. You just pay the SEC or FINRA fees. And for the interactive brokers, it has a light plan available with no commissions on US trades, but the pro plan has tiered pricing, more flexibility, but more complexity too. So if you're doing international trading, I think interactive brokers gives much better currency conversion rates and lower FX fees. So now, which one should you choose, and for whom is each platform? So if you're just getting started or mostly trading in the US stocks and options with a clean, easy interface, then Webull is definitely a great entry point. But if you are more advanced, want global access, and are okay with a steeper learning curve, interactive brokers is on another level. So yeah, for serious investors or traders scaling up, IBKR or interactive brokers is the more powerful tool, but for everyday trading with less friction, Webull keeps things simple. So that's it on this video on Webull versus interactive brokers. I hope the info was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.